none chino ere bongom 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 hanzi iko naniko naniko.
When you believe that you can fight and survive, you relax, but that can catch you by surprise. But you never know what life brings for you, may leave this world anytime. But you never know what life brings for you, may leave this world anytime. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, mama, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, mama, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, mama. Taste the feeling.
Welcome to it. This is Coke VIP on Coke on the Beat. My name is Butterfly, and in the studio with me today is Kuda Nigel. Now, Kuda Nigel is incredible. I'm sure you just heard his piece that he did just now. What up? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I like it, and I'm really feeling the taste. Yeah? Great, yeah.
Nice. So he's here. We're going to be having a chit chat. He's going to be having a tour that he's going to be going to. We're going to talk about that a little bit later on. But I want to ask you a question. Probably you get this a lot. Why the mbira? Why not the electric guitar? Why not the drums? Why the mbira?
Actually, I do play all those instruments that you've mentioned, but I'm really proud of being an African, and I would really love to. I like mbira because it's our original thing, and mbira in marimba is my best instrument that I do play. So, proudly African, yeah.
Okay. I love how he mixes it, you know, the whole leather jacket and the mbira. And even from the way you heard the music, I mean, he fusions, hip hop and mbira, and you fusion all these different elements together. We heard some jazz there. That's incredible. How did you come up with this concept?
This concept is just from the inspiration of seeing some other artists. And as I've said that, you know, proudly African, I've chosen this genre because I like it. I really like it. I'm being inspired with the Jay-Z and this Afrofusion, yeah.
Nice. So I hear that you don't work alone. I hear that you have a band. Dude, how old are you? You already have your own band. What's going on?
Oh, I'm 22, and I have got a 7-piece band, which is called Pachana Jaim. And the 7-piece band has got saxophone, we've got bass guitar, we've got drums, we've got keyboards, I do play mbira, marimba, and we've got a lot of stuff, percussion and dancers and all that, yeah.
Okay. So you know that internationally people are hungry for that unique sound. People are hungry for that African sound. And Kuda Nigel is going to be representing us. He's going to be going on tour. You're going to be going to Rome. What other cities are you going to?
I'm going to Germany. I'll be in Poland. Yeah, those are the cities that I'm going. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. I'm really excited about that. Make sure you support Kuda Nigel. Where can people get your music? Do you have an album out? What's the situation?
Okay, we're really working on an album. Right now we have got 2 singles that we have come up with, and we're still working on it. And that's what we have right now.
Where people can actually get your music?
The Facebook page is Pachana Jaim, and Twitter, and we also have YouTube account Pachana Jaim as well. Yeah.
Nice. This has been Coke VIP. My name is Butterfly. This is Kuda Nigel. Look at him. Look at him real hard, because this is definitely the next big thing. Representing Zimbabwe on the international scene. It's going to be incredible. Make sure you support him.
yelele, yelele, wa yelele. Oh, yere, yere, mama.